Today's letter is A. A for apple, apple, apple. Can you repeat after me? Apple, apple, apple. A for ant, ant. A for alligator, alligator, alligator. A for airplane, airplane, airplane. A for apple. A for alligator. A for airplane. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.